Christian, you may now kiss your wife.
I promise to honor you, your, your, to honor your patience, to cherish your kindness, and to always be your truest and most honest best friend.
Christian at Julian, ngayon ay sinisimulan ninyo ang isang banal na paglalakbay. Maglakad kayo ng magkahawak kamay sa magagaan na daan at sa mga mapanghamon.
Nagkakilala kami nung college, nung first year college, sa
School day namin. Then doon nag-umpisa lahat yung mga nakita ko sa kanya na napaibig ako, nahulog yung damdamin ko. Ito na yung pinakakahintay nating araw, yung best na gift para sa akin, sa ating dalawa. Then ito na yung how many years na nagpinaghintay natin, how many years na yung pinangangarap natin na matupad.
Brothers and sisters, may I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Christian Dixon.
Hi, Ann. Ito na yung araw na pinakahihintay mo. Finally, magiging misis mo na ako. And see you later in the altar. Love you. Mwah. You are more than just my partner. You are, without question, my best friend. The decade we spent together has proven that true love isn't just passion, but a quiet, consistent act of choosing each other day after day. And yet, your love didn't stop with me. The way you won over my family, embracing them as your own, is one of the most precious gifts you've given me.
Salamat sa pagmamahal na binigay mo sa akin kahit malayo tayo. Kahit malayo man tayo sa family na natin, then malayo tayo sa isa't isa, nag-work it yung LDR nating relationship.
Our story isn't a rush. It's a beautiful epic. You didn't just meet me, you courted me with a respectful persistence that showed me exactly who you are. For years, you held my hand and waited. And 10 years ago, when we officially became a couple, I knew I had found something profoundly real.
I found you're the only one I hold on to in the dark. And you write my name.
Honey ko, excited na kitang makita. Miss na kita kasi isang araw pa lang nakalipas pero sobrang miss na kita. Kaya see you mamaya and I love you.
Ibahagi ninyo ang saya at ang hirap. Huwag kayong matakot humingi ng tulong sa isa't isa, sa inyong pamilya, at higit lahat sa Panginoon.
Maraming salamat kasi binigay mo lahat sa akin yung best na wishes. Ito na yung pinaka-best na wish ko sa'yo. Then, salamat and thank you. I love you.
I promise to support your dreams and stand by your side through every joy and challenge life brings. I vow to love you completely, respectfully, and passionately for the rest of our life. You are my forever, and I love you.